Number 3. You can check the prices and more information about this hotel in the video description. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. We need your support. If you want the cheapest possible flight tickets, you can find them on binexavia.com. You can find the link below. Binexavia will save you money and time. We chose this hotel based on price, location, and reviews. However, if you don't like this option, check the other hotels on yesbook.net. Find the link in the video description. Number 2. You can find the price of this hotel in the video description. Just click the link and you will be redirected to a page with all hotel information and prices from different booking platforms. Additionally, you will be available to check alternative hotel options with similar facilities and prices. Please, do not forget to share your comments with us. If you want us to make a video about another destination, just write us a comment. We also kindly ask you to hit the subscribe button. This way you will be notified about the new videos. Of course, you will need a travel insurance package during your vacation. You can find the worldwide and very affordable insurance service in the video description. Number 1. Please check the video description and there you will find the hotel prices and descriptions. You can also use artificial intelligence-based hotel search platform. Just type yesbook.net and you can find the cheapest possible prices for the hotel or destination you are searching for. Yesbook.net is a hotel search platform that gives you the best rate options from world-known booking platforms like Booking.com, Travelodge, Expedia, and others. You don't need to check the websites one by one because yesbook.net does the job for you. Also, it will show you other alternative options to ensure that you make the right choice. Thanks for your attention. Please hit the subscribe and like button. See you in the next video.